Benefits of cranberries. As a portion of adjusted and solid count calories, you would like to eat an assortment of fruits and vegetables to guarantee that you simply get all the vitamins and minerals you would like. Cranberries are critical natural products for our physical well-being, and their utilization advances certain well-being benefits. Cranberries are local to North America, but numerous items such as cranberry juice and dietary supplements are accessible around the world. Cranberries contain over 15 useful vitamins and minerals like vitamins A, B1, B2, B3, B6, C, E, and K. Some health benefits of cranberries are as follows. 1. Lowering the risk of urinary tract infection. The antioxidant proanthocyanidins, which are found in cranberries, halt certain microscopic organisms from connecting themselves to the urinary tract walls. This diminishes the chance of creating a UTI. In any case, there has to be a high concentration of this antioxidant. Therefore, drinking cranberry juice will not be as viable as taking a cranberry capsule for treatment. 2. Lowers risk of cardiovascular diseases. Cranberries have polyphenols that have anti-inflammatory properties, which can lower hypertension, a condition that increments blood weight and is known to contribute to the buildup of overabundance platelets within the body. The last mentioned may be an essential cause of heart infections and a huge contributor to cardiovascular issues. Customary utilization of dried cranberries is a simple and delicious way to decrease heart issues. 3. Nourishes skin. Dried cranberries are wealthy in amino acids and hydroxyproline, which is required by the body to create collagen. The last mentioned could be a basic component in keeping your skin delicate and youthful. Cranberries moreover keep your skin hydrated. 4. Helps prevent weight loss. Cranberry juice has an emulsifying impact on the fats kept within the body, which in turn offer assistance with weight misfortune. Since it is stacked with fiber, it makes a difference as one remains full for longer. 5. Fights tooth decay. Cranberries include proanthocyanidins, which may aid dental health by preventing gum disease and bacteria from adhering to teeth. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel.